Using a Cospaces template, we are going to create a small museum of animal sounds. The main idea is to create a project to be able to enter into it and move inside. For this we will use augmented reality. Let's see how to do it.
We have used a series of pictograms from Marisoc and some 3D objects from the missing Polygoogle. Well, let's see how it's done. Let's remove the lid. And here we can see that inside. Apart from putting some 3D objects of different animals, there are some pictograms. And just in front of them there is a box that will serve as a button. That will trigger a sound. So you can see how it is made. It is simply a prism that is placed just above the image. It is placed with an opacity of 0 so that it is transparent. And this button. Each one of the buttons, by programming, is going to trigger a specific sound. For this, apart from having uploaded all the pictograms necessary to do the exercise, the corresponding sounds have also had to be uploaded. It is necessary to have it well ordered, because when making the code we are going to relate the button with each of the sounds that represent the sound produced by the animal in question. So, we will see that button number 1 activates sound 101. Button number 2 activates sound 102 and so on in a row. Always with the option that when you are not on that button, we haven't made the option to click on it, just go over there. On hover, because with the virtual reality goggles, it would be easier and you don't need to click on any button. So here we have all. It's very simple. Is to take, once a code of these. If we wanted to put one more, what we would have to do is duplicate this one, the 22 we would have here underneath 23. We would have to have created the button 23 obviously, to have a sound and to have the corresponding image. This works like this. Very simple to do. Very quick. And the good thing is that it can be used with augmented reality. We're going to put the lid back in place. And if we turn it on now, we can go inside. And once we're inside, when we go to one of the images on the walls, the sound will be activated. We'll go through the rooms. I'm scrolling with the keys. I'm just watching it on the computer. The animals can be surrounded. This would be the example on our computer. Now let's see how it would work in augmented reality and virtual reality.
Now we are on our smartphone. Let's open the project. Let's reproduce it. And we are going to choose the virtual reality option. The screen is divided into two parts. We put the mobile inside our cardboard. And we are already in space with the animals. To move forward, we have to click on the screen. All sounds will be reproduced as we focus on them. There are virtual reality devices that will allow us to move thanks to remote controls. Here we have used some cardboards and we had to touch the screen. Augmented reality mode. Once we have the project open on our smartphone, we choose virtual reality mode. A placeholder will open for us, with which we will focus on the ground where we are going to locate our space. If the project is small, we can scale it by enlarging it with our fingers to the necessary measure. Once like this, we can enter our space. The most interesting part is this possibility to move within our own creation. We are inside our augmented reality.